today I'm come with something new related to Kaggle notebook and Ollama implementation inside Kaggle notebook, because Kaggle notebook is a good place where we can prepare the notebook with runnable good access for, I can say, you can use a GPU option for 30 hours for T4 and even the P100 for more limits. So using this you can enable your notebook for more specific configuration part. I can run my model training inside that, but other than that, today I am going to use this notebook for hosting Ollama model with the code agent like QN3 on gradient interface what I used. And this particular project is completely open source, so I'm going to publish the my repo URL, and under the repo you will get all the details about the how many features it's cover and how many applications are there with all setup detail is available, and I'm attaching all this thing inside the description of this video, so you can get everything including the Kaggle notebook URL, because the Kaggle notebook URL is also updated in the readme file. So I will provide that also in the description. So let's just give you one idea what I have done under the Kaggle notebook. You will see that I have just started my Kaggle notebook with the working directory. I have installed the Ollama, and after installation I just staged the Ollama with respect of a supervisor service, where I link the configuration of Ollama, and then you will see that I write the configuration under the supervisor, whatever the environment what I put in the working directory as a service, because we need to start the service of Ollama with that. So I just put the configuration inside that and just start the service. So you can see it holding the configuration of Ollama. After that I just put some custom QN3 model. Like, why custom Q3? Because I have just prepared a model file to increase the context limit. You can use whatever the maximum limit. Maximum limit is 32,600, and just run the command, so it will install Ollama and even pull the model. And after pulling model, it will give me the detail also. Like, if I can open this for you, it will load the model of QN3 and the custom model what I have added with my custom configuration. I have tested this with the configuration also, and you will see that the whole configuration is loaded with that, how many length and how many key value configurations are there for a particular model. And you will find that is they use the bytes pair encoding and what are the special token they used. That detail is also mentioned over there. They use the tokenization part for bytes pair encoding, and then they have like total context limit they just mentioned over here is 32,768. So this is the limit what they have used, and I just call my chat, and this is the response it generated based on the context length, and it will describe everything. Other than that, I have used ngrok. So for ngrok, what I use is, because using this you can link your own hosting URL, a custom URL. However, I use Gradio, so Gradio also give a public URL to use, but I link that for a better purpose, so you can have a configuration, and that particular thing will link your token, and the token you will get from your dashboard of ngrok, and you will find this token inside that part. So I configure the token and just give the API endpoint. Is just the configuration. Later we can use it for API endpoint purpose that is also possible. And this is my repository where I run all the dependency and start my program automatically. Here I used virtual LLM class also to improve the latency and even the performance. So there are a lot of possibility which is related to that, and that is if you use the vLLM class, it will give you some sorts of more better latency speed, because the current video purpose is not to give you whole idea about what is vLLM, but it's open source class and it will give you a better enhancement with respect of calling a model. And the related blog is available. I will put this URL for you for comparison if you want more detail, and if you needed a more detailed side as a blog, just put your comment. I will answer you, and maybe in future I will plan to create a new video specific to what is vLLM class, and it is open source class. We can use it, and there are some benefits related to that which require all those guidelines. However, you can see that what kind of thing I have implemented. So I have implemented a simple you can use it as a normal Python program, or you can use it for React Odoo agent, because I have created Odoo program also you can generate using that. You can have a specific image model also there, and you can have a API endpoint for that. So this application is quite useful and totally open source. You can download it, you can use it, and let me know what your feedback, what you think, and how many things you can enhance it further for this project. That is the choice. And happy coding. Thank you. Nice.